Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language. Today is our 11th lecture of English language and today's topic of discussion is past continuous tense. Before starting our today's lecture, I would like to request all of you guys to like, subscribe and share our official YouTube channel with your dear and near ones. Let's come to the today's topic and that is past continuous tense. In this lecture, we will discuss about sentence structure, example sentences, and then at the end, I will give you a practice exercise as well. Let's see its identification. वो तमाम sentences जिनकी ending रहा था, रही थी या फिर रहे थे में होती है वो तमाम sentences past continuous tense के कहलाते हैं. Like all those tenses or all those doing that was attempting in past time, that are so called as a past continuous tense. Like here two examples that is mentioned here. हम पढ़ रहे थे, अली गाना गा रहा था. अब यहाँ पे क्लियरली इस बात को बताया जा रहा है कि काम जो है वो पास्ट में हो रहा था, मीन्स ये कंटिन्यू था लेकिन पास्ट में हो रहा था. लिहाजा यहाँ पे ये दोनों टेंसेस पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के हैं. इफ वी सी इट्स यूजेज, तो दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू टेल अबाउट अ कंटिन्यूइंग स्टेट or action that was happening at some point in the past. Next comes auxiliary verb. There are two auxiliary verbs used in this type of sentences. First one is was and second one is were. Was is always used with a singular subject and were is always used with a plural subject. Like it is mentioned here that was is used for I, he, she, it, or in easy word with a singular subject. Word is used for we, you, they और आसान लफ्ज़ों में plural subject. If we talks about a form of verb, so always in this type of sentences, first form of verb with ing is used in all type of sentences like simple sentences of past continuous tense, negative sentences and interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. Let's see simple sentences formula for the past continuous tense, and it is subject plus was verb plus ing plus object. Let's see it some of the examples. बूढ़ा आदमी सर्दी से कांप रहा था. The old man was shivering with cold. वो अपने भाई को मार रहा था. He was beating his brother. भिखारी लंगड़ा रहा था. The beggar was limping. अब आप यहाँ पे क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि सब्जेक्ट beggar है, वर्ब लिम्पिंग है बिकॉज इट्स ए डूइंग और ऑब्जेक्ट फ्री सेंटेंस है ये. देन लड़के खौफ से कांप रहे थे. द बॉयज वर ट्रेम्बलिंग विथ फियर. मैं इसकी नौकरी की सिफारिश कर रहा था. आई वॉज रिकमेंडिंग हिम फॉर जॉब. देन कम्स नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. द फॉर्मूला फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट विथ नॉट प्लस वर्ब ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Some of the examples are mentioned here and that is बूढ़ा आदमी सर्दी से काम नहीं रहा था. The old man was not shivering with cold. वो अपने भाई को मार नहीं रहा था. He was not beating his brother. भिखारी लंगड़ा नहीं रहा था. The beggar was not limping. लड़के खौफ से कांप नहीं रहे थे. The boys were not trembling with fear. मैं इसकी नौकरी की सिफारिश नहीं कर रहा था. I was not recommending him for job. Then comes interrogative sentences. Like in the previous lecture, I always mentioned this word that interrogative sentences are those sentences that deals with our asking or with our questioning. Means in this sentences हम किसी से questions पूछते हैं, हम किसी से asking करते हैं. By just placing auxiliary verb before subject, we get a new formula for a interrogative sentences, and that is you can clearly see here was verb plus subject plus verb ing form plus object. Some of the examples are mentioned here. क्या बूढ़ा आदमी सर्दी से कांप रहा था? Was the old man shivering with cold? वो क्यों अपने भाई को मार रहा था? Why was he beating his brother? क्या भिखारी लंगड़ा रहा था? Was the beggar limping? क्या लड़के खौफ से कांप रहे थे? Were the boys trembling with fear? क्या मैं इसकी नौकरी की सिफारिश कर रहा था? Was I recommending him for job? Like in the previous lecture, I give you a practice exercise at the end. So the practice exercise for past continuous tense is, क्या अलार्म बज रहा था? वो फैसला सुना रहा था? वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे? क्या वो पानी पी रहे थे? क्या वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था? If you liked our video, then kindly show your feelings in our comment section. I'll really appreciate your feelings, your thoughts. One more thing that I'd like to request all of you guys that kindly share our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language with your dear and near ones. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.